probably figured out it's not all that easy sometimes to come up with specific topics related to science and math, etc. And so it takes a little bit of thinking and planning. And once more, we want to focus on the research related part of it as opposed to just having an activity just for activity's sake. Activities can, things that you can do in the classroom, they're just a dime a dozen. You can come up with all kinds of fun things to do for kids, and they relate to math and science and art and social skills, etc. But they aren't necessarily research in the project. And so that's where the difficult part comes in. And I think that mostly everybody is working on just that basic, how do I figure this out? And I think you're doing pretty well. And there are just a couple of things to think about. For instance, if you're talking about, like if you're working on the animals theme, and you decide that you're going to make the oobleck so that pigs are working in the mud, then you want to find out a little bit about why pigs are in the mud, and that's the research part. So not just the surface, but go one step beyond, go deeper into that. So the other part is, like if you're working on families, what kind of activities are related to family? Well, that's kind of difficult to find out a little bit, except for maybe you could work on a family tree. That's the history, the science, the math, etc. about, how many grandparents do we have, for instance, is a great math thing. So there's all kinds of stuff that you can do that are just beyond the surface. So dig deep when you're looking at the topical, the assignments that you have to do that are related to the topic. And look at what children are actually going to be researching. That's the most important part. Other than that, I think everybody's been doing a really good job. You've been working on these assignments hard. I know that I can tell that you're thinking hard about what it is that you want to add. So keep up the good work, and we're almost done. So hang in there. Thanks.